Simplify your life with a little help from the Pure Water Power Outlet Quick Connect. Instead of letting water run while you briefly pause cleaning, control your water flow with a simple twist of a knob. The Quick Connect pairs with the Pure Water Power Premium Quick Connect 5/16 push-to-fit set. This combination tool connects directly to your Pure Water Power system or your 5/16 water-fed hose to give you full control of your water flow. The Pure Water Power Outlet Quick Connect is a cinch to assemble. Push the Quick Connect push-to-fit set into the top of the Outlet Quick Connect. Attach the Quick Connect set directly to your water purification system outlet. Or attach a garden hose to your system outlet and attach the Quick Connect set to the other end of your hose. Then, push your Pure Water Power hose into the push-to-fit. Finally, hook this hose up to your water-fed pole and turn the knob on the Quick Connect to activate water flow. To pause water flow, simply turn the knob again. In seconds, you're in complete control of your water supply. Now you can easily conserve water when you're not actively cleaning windows. And with the Pure Water Power Quick Connect set by your side, you no longer have to drop everything and hustle to your water source to shut off the flow. Never waste your precious pure water again. Want to add another water-fed pole while you're cleaning? The Premium Outlet Quick Connect has you covered there too. Simply switch out the push-to-fit straight fitting with Pure Water Power's 5/16 push-to-fit T-fitting. Now you'll have 2 hose connect options for double the cleaning power. It's that simple. Indeed, this dynamic tool can be used in virtually any setting where you prefer to control your water supply. The Quick Connect outlet gives you full control on the job site. Water waste will forever be a thing of the past thanks to the help of this handy little tool. Just add water. Pure Water Power delivers the tools. You deliver the shine.